this year Pagani celebrates the Zonda 20th anniversary at the 89th edition of the Geneva Auto Show, and on this occasion we just completely restored chassis number 1 of Zonda, and we applied the specific configuration that was presented in 1999 on the 9th of March. So basically, we just restored any existing parts of the car thanks to the program Pagani Rinascimento, which is a restoration program that aims at bringing back the original glory to these cars. This car, chassis number 1, was actually the car used for all the homologation and crash tests. And we just recovered the chassis and all body panels, and we recreated the new ones, the missing parts, thanks to the original molds and the instructions that we still keep today for every car that leaves the factory. And this allowed us to really recreate the full original chassis number 1 of the Zonda, of this legendary car, which is just being unveiled at the Geneva Motor Show.
Dasha. Fantastic. There we go.
Andate più qua? Sì, sì, ancora più vicino alla macchina, ancora più vicino.
Vai, velocemente, spegne le candele.
Possiamo ricreare quello, no?
Faccia Photoshop.